Today we're going to show you how to assemble the Starlink mini mount for an aluminum cab Ford truck. This has a wider foot. This is everything that will come in the kit. You have the Starlink mini mount with the mag feet, you have the wrench, 4 landing pads, the adhesive for the landing pads, alcohol prep pads, and a template that's specific to the Ford. So first thing we're going to do, take your Allen wrench, flip the mount over, take out these 2 bolts with the Allen wrench. Now you have the edge clamp loose from the bolts. You're going to take the wedge mount, put it in the back of your Starlink Mini, push straight down on the top right here, and hit it with your hand. That latches it into the back of the dish. Then you take the front edge clamp, hook it over the edge, line the holes up, remove these magnets from the crossbar, lay that on top, put the bolts through the whole thing, tighten those down. They don't need to be crazy tight, just snug them up with your hands. Then you're going to screw the mini mag feet back on. Same thing, tighten those down. And that's installed. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go on the roof of your truck. You're going to lay this template down on the roof of your truck with your center rib on your roof in this notch with your just above your 3rd brake light on the back of your roof. We'll line that template, take your adhesive, put an adhesive on each disc, clean your roof, put a disc in each notch on the roof, and glue those pads down in the appropriate pattern. And those will align them perfectly with the bottom of the dish. And the dish will stick to your aluminum cab.